DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you already know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, you see what we are doing today? Yo! First of all, wake your asses up! Yeah, man, let's get in the vibe, man. You see me I say, yeah, we there back. We already reacted to the audio to this, and y'all seem to like it, so we're back with the video. You see me? Yeah, man, we're back with the video today. Reacted to the audio of Eminem featuring Big Sean and BabyTron, man, Tobey, and they went crazy on the audio. So right now they dropped the video. I'm expecting the video gotta go crazy to match the damn lyrics. No cap, bro, because they went crazy on. They murdered this shit. You see me? I say, if you don't remember, y'all gonna remember right now. But yeah, the video gotta go crazy to match this shit, bro. So we're gonna check it out. See what MID with, see what Big Sean did, see what BabyTron did. You see me? I say, oh, shout out to the person for clarifying. Yo, BabyTron and Big Sean sound so much alike to me, anyways, bro. And the audio, I couldn't even tell who went first, bro. You see me? I said, somebody had to tell me in the comment section that that BabyTron went first, bro. You see me? I said, I made the lyrics, I can say, yeah. You see me? I said, but anyway, let's get it again. We're not all provide much longer. Come on, I want to walk through like some villain in this bitch. Come on. Watch M.
Shit, fuck, shit, boy, Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider, but see, me, it was a goat. If you want space, I hope you take your helmet off soon as you get up to Venus and choke. Even while sleeping, be thinking so woke. White car.
Yo, this video trippy as fuck, or it's just me. What the fuck going on?
30 years, all I'm seeing is dope. My city Leia and I'm Obi-Wan, got a mission to pass, I just might be the hope. Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider, but see, me, it was a goat. If you want space, I hope you take your helmet off soon as you get up to Venus and choke. Even while sleeping, be thinking so woke. White Cartiers, all I'm seeing is dope. My city Leia and I'm Obi-Wan, got
come on, all you need is
a mission to pass, I just might be the hope. No Espanol, I'm allergic to Rojo, and legally blind, all I'm seeing is go. D to the A, there and back, if we ride with the Drake, can't smoke from the T to the O. Up then the bitch, you can keep what you green.
Up then the bitch, you can keep what the chew. Oh, nigga, come on, up then the bitch. You can keep what you that shit, that little shit, I don't even want it no more.
Tell me, boy, you reap what you sow. Do the most, we over, even the skull. Steady on the run, glued his feet to the floor. Up in my Tesla, I'm rolling up extras. I stopped at Valero, think I should quit smoking. Life is a gamble, and I'm playing slots.
Yo, this video trippy as fuck, bro. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. You should, hey, I just, you know what I'm saying? If you, yeah, this is the type of video.
Down, close my eyes and I pray I win tokens. All walk, no pop, how we drop. You can come and take a baby sip, still taste the dispo. 1-to-1, sitting around the stars, double R for the race. Here the raves like a spaceship is float. All this drip thing I'm below sea level. Cut your own wrist off with that weak best. Ride around with the ice.
All this drip thing I'm below sea level, nigga. Cut your own wrist off with that weak bezel, nigga. Come on.
Giant making me metal. Watch Unk break a rock down to 3 pebbles. Bam, bam, down 3, hit the grand slam. 4 pockets full, fully switch, go wham, wham. Pants cramp, pull it down, count it to my hands cramp.
4 pockets full, switch, go wham, wham, nigga. Don't, hey, come on.
DSM on the beach, not a sandstand.
Boy, come on.
Hey, they wanna bleed me and leave me to act like they need me, but fuck it, I do it alone. She wanna touch me and rub me and go back to hubby, he probably could smell my cologne.
Wait, don't tell me you took BabyTron girl in the video. What the fuck, Big Sean? Chill out.
Fuck it, I do it alone. She wanna touch me and rub me and go back to hubby, he probably could smell my cologne. I was a mercy, I show him no mercy, I really was watching it.
No mercy, nigga. I showed him no mercy. I was really watching the throne, nigga. God, I was with good music in them. Huh? Come on, pull that shit up. Come on.
Go back to hubby, he probably could smell my cologne. I was a mercy, I show him no mercy, I really was watching the throne. Niggas ain't
I forgot I was with good music, nigga. I was watching the throne, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm one of them. Hey.
Turning me down when my baby is asleep only time that I'm watching my tone. We don't want chips with a chip on our shoulder. If he
on when my baby sleep, you watch my tone. Ain't nobody turning this shit down. Come on, Big Sean, talk your shit.
Down when my baby is asleep, only time that I'm watching my tone. We don't want chips with a chip on our shoulder. If he Obi-Wan and I gotta be Yoda, don't need no promoter. We pull up, they know us. I'm the Ayatollah, snatching your controller. I don't give a fuck about you when I'm focused. Fuck all the drugs you take, I'm taking over. I paid attention, don't need no payola. Can't take
all them drugs you taking, nigga. I'm taking over.
Wait for me, you just need to take cover. I could paint a picture like I made a stencil. Fuck your whole image, I'm a cold Bennett. I don't know what the fuck they done told niggas. I put all of my heart and my soul in it. I met you in person, you so different. I can't listen to you for a whole minute. Took a blood test, ain't no whole winner. Watch your motherfucking mouth before I go win it. They like, no, he didn't. Got him more invested. If it's one thing I make no exceptions. I got no.
This nigga going in. He's in a Big Sean. Remind him you one of the best, bro. Come
Dresses, I got no reception. I got love and hate coming from both directions. Bitch, I come from the D where they BMF and where they moving them keys like a chord progression. Bitch, I'm omnipresent. I got no reflection.
Hey, this video is crazy. Crazy, bro.
They made a living off bars, I need no correction. Grinding shit out, gotta stay patient. While you outside, we on staycation. Lock the fuck in, ain't no player for real unless you play making. I take the chances you hate taking. Fuck a dog, I'ma go West Craven. I'm at the safe haven. They play with my name and I can't take it. Little
Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider, but see, me, it was a goat. If you want space, I hope you take your helmet off soon as you get up to Venus and choke. Even
yeah, they snapped on this shit.
while sleeping, be thinking so woke. White Cartiers, all I'm seeing is
coming in.
My city Leia and I'm Obi-Wan, got a mission to pass. I just might be the hope.
Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider. Me, musta got bit by a goat. I used to dream as a kid I would grow to be one. I hope that I inspire hope for you to go get what you desire most. Spit fire, bitch, I was just flying coach. Y'all thought you.
Hey man, I remember the first time I listened to Eminem, bro. I was in Jamaica, bro. You see me? You see me? I said all the time, but yo, man, ever since I've been listening to all that shady, you see me? I say, yo, that should be crazy. Yeah, man. Remember I used to listen to his mix, all that shit. I used to listen to Eminem hard, bro. And you got some crazy, hey.
Was sick, you would miss.
Y'all wouldn't even expect that, huh? Yeah,
diagnosed. I'm dope and you never had this high dose. Now my state's in the building and bitch, I done slept on more floors in the Empire State Building. I got so many stories, but I hate ceilings. Ain't feeling your top 5 favorite rappers, so I know they about to be pissed at me. But this to me is a mystery.
Come on.
How rappers I've already ripped could be higher up on a list than me.
I'm telling y'all rappers and I kill y'all putting on a list of me. Y'all try me, bro. What's wrong with
But this to me is a mystery. How rappers I've already ripped could be higher up on a list than me. Yet here I sit on your list with 5. Wish though it's fine, but just know inside. To me this shit's hilarious. So when I get this though and by a pioneer who is one of the reasons why I am here, they tell me I should just let the shit go and slide.
Get this by a pioneer when I am the reason why he
Melly Mel shouldn't get no reply. That man is a legend, bitch, so am I. And anyone else who thinks it'd be wise and easy as pie to beat me and tries can treat me just like poison.
So anybody think it's wise? Anybody think it's wise? It's easy to beat me. Hey, come on.
Shit go and slide. Melly Mel shouldn't.
Easy. Are wise. If it what do you say? If you think it's wise or easy as pie, bro, if you try me out, don't. Hey.
Get no reply. That man is a legend, bitch, so am I. And anyone else who thinks it'd be wise and easy as pie to beat me and tries can treat me just like poison. They can eat me and die. Middle finger stuck up, but I never conceded whenever ever retreated. You never seen it. Every dream that I ever dreamt I
eat me and
seated team at my legacy. I definitely did controversy. I always fed on, I need it. Treat it like a truck hit a head on, I meet it. I get on a beat and it's like that I Got a Tiger song is playing in my head on repeat. I've been knocked down so many times, can't count. Sometimes she does not pan out. That's just the way that the card hands dealt. John Manziel, odd man out. Heavyweight more than Scott Van Pelt. I can't help but feel like
Come on, take a breath, bro. Take a breath, bro.
Victim of child abuse, cause I am bout to get that goddamn belt. Way beyond crazy, shady gone. But hey, maybe I'm the GOAT, the bitch on and BabyTron. And that's why they be on the shit they be on. Cause
Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider, but see, me, it was a goat. If you want space, I hope you take your helmet off soon as you get up to Venus and choke. Even while sleeping, be thinking so woke. White Cartiers, all I'm seeing is dope. My city Leia and I'm Obi-Wan.
Just kill yourself, nigga. I know it's you.
Got a mission to pass, I just might be the hope.
Yo, this video is crazy. This man just killed himself. He just killed himself. Is he hinting at something? Oh yeah, murder that shit. You see me? I say murder that shit. That video is like, yeah. When you talking about production, that's production right there. That video is crazy. You see me? I say that shit is like a movie. Every scene is like a movie quality. You see me? But anyway, they murdered that shit, gang. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section. You see me? I say if you like your show, that's some of our support. You know, start the dancing. You see me? I say, yeah, man, let's get the discourse going. Let me know if you listen to Eminem, Big Sean, or BabyTron, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what was your favorite part of the video, lyrics, all that good stuff. Discourse going. Let me know your favorite songs that y'all want me to react to. You see me? I say, you made it this far in the video and I like it. Come on, really? That's what you're doing, bro? You can't be that much of a hit. You can't be that bad, man. You make it all the way to the end. Ain't no like and subscribe it. Come on, bro. Be a real nigga for us. You know what I'm saying? Do the right thing. Code is life. You already know. Yeah, man, gang. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Don't forget the part there, you know. Each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.